36. Which molecules are structurally isomers? You know, guys, when we say isomers, it means they should have the same molecular formula, but different displayed and structure formula. So we need to check here, count number of carbons first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have C, 5. What about H? Here you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is C5H12. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is C5. And then H3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is H10. And then for number 3, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, also C5. And for H's, this is 3, 3, 6, and 3, 9. And then 9 plus 3, they are 12. So H12. So 1 of the 3. And then here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is C6. So this is actually wrong with the continued number of hydrogen we need. This is completely wrong, number 4. So, and also we have C5H1, C5H1, and for this C5H10. Actually, because we have double bond, so before starting, it should be different. Because in double bond, actually, number of hydrogen will be different. So same number of carbon. And we have double bond, it means less number of hydrogen because you know the formula for it, the first one, alkane, CN, H2N plus 2. But for double bond alkenes, we have CN, H2N only. So it means hydrogen with base. So actually 1 and the 3, they are correct answer. So we need to choose 1 of the 3. So this is B. Okay, guys. 37. Which statements about the reaction of ethane with steam are correct? So ethane, this is double bond. With steam, H2O, this is water. The process called hydration. This is addition reaction because unsaturated. So the product has a higher molecular mass than ethane. So of course this is correct because in ethane we have C2H6, but here the product actually would be, this is when we add this together, let's say this is C double, C1, 2, 3, 4 plus H2O. So actually we need to add, this is C, single C, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and here is OH. So here, guys, you have C2, and here 3, 5, 1, this is H6, and here you have O. So actually, guys, this is true. Number 2, the product reacts with aqueous bromine. So actually, product cannot react with aqueous bromine because double bond is not here. Once double bond actually is broken, so it will not react with aqueous bromine because it's saturated now, not unsaturated. You know the test for bromine for unsaturation. Number 3, the number of electrons shared between carbon atoms decrease. Yes, because it was before C double C, and after the reaction, it becomes C single C. So of course, it was 4 electrons between them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's only 2. So this is true. Number 4, the reaction produces an alcohol and hydrogen. So this is not correct, no hydrogen, only alcohol. So actually, correct answer is 1, and here the correct answer is 3. So 1 of the 3 should be B. 38. Methane and chlorine react to form chloromethane. Which row describes the necessary reaction condition and the type of reaction? So methane, this is alkane, as you see, guys. So it means it's saturated. So actually, it can't react by addition. It can react only by substitution. This is for all alkanes. You know, alkanes react by substitution, not addition. Addition will be for the alkenes. So we need to check between A and B. So here the condition is ultraviolet light, and here the condition is nickel catalyst. So I think everyone remembers this is ultraviolet light, UV light. So the correct answer is A. And then 39, parts of the structure of 2 different monomers, X and Y, are shown, which show about the monomers and the linkage between the monomers of polymers X and Y is correct. So here let's check monomers in X and Y. Are they different or same? Here, so first one, the monomer here, so we should determine the repeating unit. So this is the monomer, first one in X, and here is the second monomer. And you see, guys, here we have the link. So the link here is C double O, and then we have this is NH. So actually, guys, you remember this is called amide link. Okay, so this is amide link between them, and we have two different. And here in Y, also we have two different monomers. This is one monomer, and this is another. You see, guys, the monomer is repeated. C double O NH, and here C double O NH. But if you check here, this square it's shaded, and this one is light, so it means we have different carbon chain here. Take care, guys, this point. So it means we have different carbon chain, not the same in the carbon chain for the monomer. So also here, this is not the same. And for the link, actually, this is the same link. This is also amide link. Okay, so we need to check for the monomer, they are different. So A or B, and for the link in X are different from the link in Y. It's not correct because they are, both of them are amide. So we have the same. So we need to choose letter B as correct. Okay, guys. And finally, this is 40, substance Q tested using paper chromatography. The resulting chromatogram is shown, as you see. Here we have solvent front, this is baseline, and here we have two spots. So which statement is correct? Q is a pure substance. So actually, guys, Q is not pure because here we have two spots. So it means this is a mixture of two different substances. Rn value of the lower spot is 0.25. So this is the lower spot, this one. And if we take a line to the baseline, and then another line to the solvent front here. So if we make this value, divided this, so I think the value is not 0.25, it seems to be more than half, not 0.25, since this is also not correct. And letter CQ is a mixture of at least two different substances. Yes, it's a mixture because we have two. This is true also, since this is true. Last one, Q, is a compound of two elements. Actually, the word compound is completely wrong. Here in chromatography, guys, take care. Never forget we use chromatography to separate components of mixtures, not compounds. So the correct answer here is C. Okay? So actually, guys, I try to explain step by step, slowly, to allow everyone to take his time, your time, to understand carefully. Hopefully, it was helpful. Thank you so much, guys. See you.